Hey, so this is a unboxing video. Very overdue because I got these packages a long time ago. I got sauce on my face. Anyways, I'm doing my dear friends Kylie and Amber. I'll do Amber first because I accidentally opened it because I wasn't sure what it was. But I ordered some yummy, it smells delicious, by the way. And I got a card with my name on it. But this, let me open this first, because Amber runs the Thrifty Witch Apothecary. It's on Twitter. I'll leave the deets down below. But let's see. I got a thank you card. Oh. Okay, here's the deets. Thrifty Witch Apothecary on Twitter. I got a cute little sticker. Love you, Amber. But let's show you what we got. I don't remember what I ordered, but it's like lotion, and this looks like a bar soap. Oh, no. I ordered rose. Oh, I got a stone. I love crystals. So I ordered some rose petals to use in my craft. And she put in this beautiful stone, crystal. I don't even know what it is. From the looks of it, I say it's a gate. Some type of a gate. I could be wrong. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right either. But that's okay, because I just got out of the hospital. I forgot I ordered that. And then these are what smell delicious. It's handmade whipped body butter. I already ordered from her before, so I know. I'm not sure the smell, but that's what it looks like. It has glitter on it. Love it. I forgot what scents I ordered, but it smells good. I'm pretty sure this one is Oh. I ordered, lavender. It's a sugar body scrub. She leaves instructions on what it's made with. Let's open it up. Oh, yeah. It smells delicious. But yeah, definitely check out Amber on Twitter. Thrifty Witch Apothecary. Thank you, Amber. I love you. Okay. Now we got Kylie. I didn't open this one. Let's see what I ordered. I think I kind of remember what I ordered. Aww. This is sweet. Let me tell you. Aw, got a print. Is an extra. I didn't order that, but that's very pretty. I love it. Oh my god, it fell. I'll pick it up in a hot minute. Yes. Kylie and I believe it's her boyfriend, Dakota. They run Northwest Angel Arts on Twitter. I'll leave the details below. But let me show you what I got. Let me pick up what I dropped. Because my life's a mess. Ooh. That's so cool. I got fluid art. I love it. It's beautiful. Especially love the crackles. Isn't this pretty? You make beautiful art. You and your boyfriend. I love that. I really appreciate fluid art. I've been trying to master it, and I kind of am, but at the same time, not really. But it's a process, you know. I think this is I got this, oh, yeah, she makes resin keychains, or they do. And this is Stitch as Chucky. Very well done. Love the glitter. This one's for a friend. She'll love it. I love art. I'm in a good mood. Oh yeah, and I ordered this too. It's a fluid art keychain. Very pretty. I love fluid art. I said that 100 times probably. Let's see what goodies I got. I got this pencil, came as an extra along with that fluid art picture. I just love it. I love how the colors, you know, mix together in their own ways. Each piece is individual. And then I got this lovely D with fluid art too. Oh, I got some stickers. It says, kind people are my kind of people. And you are capable of amazing things. I needed to hear that. What's this? Look, I got a little chicken. And I got a little resin heart as an extra. And then there's some details. Yep, her and her boyfriend make art together. I love it. I wish I had that kind of support. Anyways. Yes. Thank you, Amber and Kylie. You guys are amazing and your art is beautiful. And I appreciate it. I love the support we get. We give each other and we receive. So yeah, I definitely recommend Amber and Kylie. I'll leave their details below. Bye.